What is up, YouTube? Hey, thanks for checking out the video. Today I'm going to be installing some fender flares from Kemimoto. This is a very simple install. So this is everything that comes with the fender flare kit. All the bolts and hardware you need. The only thing you have to do, I've already drilled out the holes. If you look at your new Can-Am, if you have a new Can-Am X3, you'll see there's dimples in all these locations. See, so I haven't drilled out the back. You can see right there, there's a dimple, you know, just in various places, and that's going to be where you install your screws to hold on the fender flares. Can-Am's nice enough to go ahead and put those dimples on there for you, so you can make the install nice and quick and easy. So I'll go ahead and start installing the front fender flares first, and then we'll show you what they look like after they're on. Alright, there you go, guys. Got one side done. Now, one thing I didn't do that the directions tell you to do is to screw in some screws and some bolts and nuts on the bottom here. I like to leave those off in case I hit a tree or something like that. You have a little bit of give to it so they don't crack. Our trails are kind of tight, so we're squeezing through a lot of trees and stuff, and chances are I'm going to clip a tree with the edge of the fender flare, and when it goes to push in, obviously the bolts underneath will hold it in place, and that tends to make it crack, but it's still very, very, very sturdy. So that's just my personal preference. If you guys want to, obviously you can install the hardware underneath. A little ladybug there. But this is what it looks like, and this is what it looks like stock without them. So you can see it gives you plenty of coverage, especially in the back. It looks good. I'll go ahead and install the other side, and I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's all complete. Alright, there you go, guys. 100% complete. I think it looks pretty sweet. Like I said, it's going to help keep the mud out of the cab, so your cleanup job isn't quite as bad. And, looks nice.